Is Geico really saving you 15% or more on car insurance, or is there more to the story? Let's dive into a comprehensive review of Geico Insurance. We'll explore the good, the bad, and everything in between, helping you decide if they're the right fit for your insurance needs. First, let's look at Geico's strengths. The things they do well: they're known for their competitive rates, often offering some of the lowest premiums around, especially for those with a clean driving record. Online and mobile accessibility is a massive plus, making it easy to get quotes, manage your policies, and file claims anytime, anywhere. Geographic availability is another strong point. Geico operates nationwide. Finally, their financial stability rating helps secure it as a trustworthy insurance option. However, no insurance company is perfect. Let's weigh the cons. Customer service can sometimes be a mixed bag. While some customers rave about positive experiences, others report inconsistencies with response times and claim processing. The digital-first approach, while convenient, can sometimes limit personalized support. Then there is the question of available options. Some of Geico's policies are restricted based upon the driving risks. What about customer satisfaction? This is measured by examining third-party ratings and real-world feedback from reputable sources such as J.D. Power and AM Best. Looking at claim settlements and overall customer experience, results are also mixed, reflecting how individual experiences can vary. It all comes down to your unique needs and how Geico aligns with those needs. Ultimately, Geico offers compelling advantages with attractive rates and digital convenience, though you have to factor in the customer service feedback. That's why it's always smart to compare quotes. This is the only way you can determine if Geico truly provides the best coverage for you, and your budget research is the key. Before making any decisions, make sure to get a quote from Geico. This will help you compare rates against your current insurer or other ones you're interested in, so you can choose the best coverage for your money. Don't forget to like this video and leave any thoughts in the comments below.